Hi, Isabelle. I was just going over updating my progress report that I sent to the British Council. Um, and I just wanted to bring to your attention that you're kind of getting behind here, okay? Um, the last three modules, no work, and then this first module of part two, nothing. And so let me show you what I see, okay? Um, you did good um, in the first four modules, and then since then, um, nothing. And so we're here now. We're actually working in how do you compare. So um, I'm just afraid you're getting really, really behind. Okay. If please let me know if I can do anything to help or innocent. Okay. Please let us know. I mean, you were doing great, doing a great job, and then things have kind of fell off. So please let me know what I can do to help. I just don't want you to get any further behind. Okay. Thank you.